Well, most of this stuff usually starts, I guess the part we're missing here is that there's some type of a little bit of a clinical exam and stuff, and just looking and seeing, okay, how many teeth are we dealing with? Are we having a hard time chewing because the teeth are not lining up correctly, or is it because the teeth are broken down so badly that they're not unable to, grind food up and stuff like that? And so that's kind of where I start, and the other part is, are we just missing a bunch of teeth? That's kind of the third element and stuff there. So um, there's kind of three areas you have to kind of look at to start the whole thing, and it just ends up kind of being a funnel, and once you kind of do the evaluation and get the feedback from the patient, and a lot of times patients will tell you, I don't want to have anything removable, I don't want to have any teeth that come in and out of my mouth and stuff. And some people say, I don't mind having that, something that's removable and stuff. And so that kind of starts pointing you in a direction about where you should go as far as your treatment options and stuff. And usually we try to give everybody multiple treatment options, and that usually means try to give a minimum of three: the very basic, kind of the middle of the road, and then the higher end, the best that we can possibly do for you. And just discuss with them, the pluses and minuses of each, the prognosis, and then let them make the decision and stuff. We try not too hard I don't like to try to push people down a road. It's my job just to give you the information, let you know what I see, and explain it to you. And then it's your call. It's your mouth, your time, your money. You make the decision about what's going to be best for you and stuff. So that's kind of how we started out, anyways.